Hey guys, going for a quick drive today. Car's birthday too. Just returned back for $100. We've got this trail load of shit. Big snapper ride on. It's quite large, I haven't really gone over it yet. With 11 horsepower rigs on it. Various weed eaters. Adam Lawn Incher. Victor 2-stroke under there. Little Pace there. It's got the handlebar badge on it. It's becoming quite rare. Got a Big Bob. What's that? A 3.5 horse Briggs. I've got 3 of these Massport rotary hoses. 1, 2, and there's a third one there with a little Honda in it. So score there. And not sure what breed this edger is here. It's sort of half homemade, I think, but anyway, I'll work that out down the track. Also, while I was over in Wagga, I sold a mower, but this is a trade-in, so that was in there. And I don't think it'll take much to get it going again. I was going to do some work today, but some fucking idiot left the taps on, didn't they? Alright, let's go for a drive and see what shit we can find. This section of road isn't as bad as it was last year. I'll see if I can find a bit of video to attach of last year's little bit of rain on this road. But in the ute, the water was coming up over the bonnet at points, so it is perfectly dry this year. Let's see if we can make it focus. Yeah, it's coming down pretty hard. This car's way too light to really pull it up if I have to stop quickly at the moment. I lost it when it was only mildly raining the other day. She's all good now. it, even though we've complained about it for the last 5 or 6 years. So you can't even see the start of my driveway. Ridiculous. No, because of the rain outside, I'm stuck working in the shed. This was one of the ones in the trail load the other day. This was a trade-in from a red one I sold. I just want to get it going because I want a quick sale. At the moment I've just confirmed it has no spark. So it should be a fairly easy fix. At worst I've got to change the ignition coil off the scrap engine. So yeah, I'll go and get some tools and get stuck into it. Don't know if I'll show my shed for a while, but hang on, I'll see if I can turn the light on. Anyway, got the Villiers engine sort of hanging around. Victor Monaro, Victor Mustang, which is variant of Vortex. Victor Vortex. That Victor Vortex come out of hard rubbish. A couple of little Briggs engines. All sorts of shit in here. A couple of Victor 18s under all the shit over there. Anyhow, let's get to work on this one. Ended up bailing out last night, got too dark and a little bit wet. Anyhow, the old Victor is all back together. I have started it once, so I think it has a head gasket leak, so I'll pull that apart shortly again. But I'll see if it'll start up again anyway. Get the impression of leaking around the bottom there, wet bowl. Nothing like to throttle up and burn up, so it's either lean fuel or leaking somewhere. Water pump. Oh, wash out underneath nicely anyway.